Tesla Fremont plant is abuzz with activity as nearby construction goes underway. Have you seen that new construction if you live in the area? Elon Musk recently noted on Twitter that the Tesla Fremont team is really going really well and working very hard. A recent drone flyover of the Tesla Fremont plant suggests that this is indeed the case, as the entire complex looks abuzz with activity. New construction nearby also hints at a potential expansion of the Fremont facility. For the longest time, the Fremont Factory was Tesla's only vehicle production facility. This is no longer the case today, with Giga Shanghai outproducing the factory and Giga Berlin and Texas ramping up their respective outputs of electric vehicles. This does not mean to say that the Tesla Fremont plant will be significantly left behind anytime soon, however, as it is still being improved by Tesla. Now, we have a tweet from James Scott that says, cars sticking out of every nook and cranny, 20 car carriers hauling vehicles away from the logistics lot, busy factory, also possible new factory expansion, 2 office buildings in good conditions were demolished right across the street from the factory. That means Tesla Fremont Factory is ramping up its production and increasing, going maybe to the next phase. Elon Musk hinted as much during the Q2 2022 earnings call when he noted that the California-based plant hit new production records in June 2022. This was especially impressive for the Fremont plant, as the facility was already the most productive car factory in the United States prior to its latest milestone. Back in January, the Fremont factory was already outpacing 70 other cars plants across the country. A recent drone flyover of the Tesla Fremont plant shows a glimpse at just how much activity goes on in the complex. Vehicles could be seen being kept in several areas of the complex, and numerous car carriers could also be seen at the site just waiting to haul electric vehicles away from the logistics lots. The recent flyover more than anything shows just how busy Tesla is in its operations at the Fremont plant. Perhaps most interesting about the recent footage from Fremont, however, was the fact that Tesla appears to have torn down a couple of buildings across the street from the main factory, which were good condition. Considering that the buildings were reportedly still in good conditions, speculations are abounding that Tesla may be constructing something significant in the area, something more significant than those buildings in good conditions. Tesla's Fremont facilities are not as optimized as Gigafactory Shanghai, Berlin, or Texas, but they host a variety of notable activities, friends. Tesla's pilot production line of its 4680 cells is located nearby at Kato Rd, and it's called Kato Rd facility, and so is the company's seat factory. These, if any, highlight the idea that the Fremont factory is still a key component of Tesla's overall operations, even if it gets outproduced and possibly also outperformed by other gigafactories such as Shanghai, Berlin, Texas in the future. So what do you think, friends? What do you think is the future for Gigafactory? I keep saying Gigafactory because Tesla's other factories are Gigafactories, but Fremont now produces more cars than before. So what do you think is the future for Fremont plant for Texas? This is for Tesla. This is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss